Hi everybody. One thing that's become even more relevant when you're looking for a job now is standing out from the crowd. I mean, there are hundreds, possibly even thousands of people applying for the same job as you, so it's never been more important that you try and do something different. If you enjoy this video and find it useful, and you've got any other ideas of stuff you'd like to see, then please pop it in the comments below. The more ideas, the better. Today though, I'd like to focus on you putting your newfound movie star. But today, I'd like to focus on your newfound movie star skills to good effect and give you some tips on how to create an amazing video CV. The aim is really simple. Help you stand out from other applicants, build your confidence in selling yourself, land you your next job, or at least get you through to an interview. So firstly, before you go anywhere, you need to plan a script. So some basic do's and don'ts. Read the job profile and find some common ground that matches with your experience. Think about your skills that match the role. Plan how you're going to promote yourself. Don't make it generic. So how are you actually going to put this script together and structure it? So firstly, you need to do a great introduction. So I need to know what's your name, where you come from. We're not doing blind date. We're getting a great CV video message across, but it's really important. At the moment, I'm seeing probably on average 1 in 10 CVs don't tell me where people live. How can I know whether I've got a role or you're suitable if I don't know where you live? So that's really important. Next, tell me about your career. What you just give me is a real snapshot of your current role, the scope of it, the scale of it, and then just give me a couple of brief bullet points about roles you've had before. This is about keeping a real simple message so I know exactly what you're all about. Next is education, but only tell me about education if the role specifically asks for a certain level. If it doesn't, miss it out. It's not a criteria the recruiter's looking for. Next, focus on your top 3 skills. Things that match the job role that the recruiter, the person that wants you to join their business, is going to think, I want to meet this person. Then, tell me about your proudest achievements. Make sure it matches to the role. If the role's about leading and developing and growing a new team, then talk about the best example that you've got of that. And finally, a closing statement. Really, really, really important. I want to know as a recruiter why you want to work for the brand that you're applying for. So tell me, but do it with passion. Most importantly, recruiters are busy people. Don't make it too long. 90 seconds to 2 minutes maximum. So look, I hope that gives you a plan of how to create it. Remember, the more engaging you are, the better. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see any more videos with any more things and hints and tips that will help you on your journey to getting that perfect role, then please pop a comment below. Best of luck in your job search, but most importantly, remember, be different.